Do you know someone who always smells bad from the mouth? That smell that won't go away, as if they had eaten something rotten days ago. Don't get upset anymore. I'm going to tell you the perfect remedy for that person. Take half a glass of water and mix 1 tablespoon of cloves, 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2½ tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir well until everything is dissolved. Why does this mixture work so well? Baking soda has microbe-killing properties, so it fights odors and helps fight mouth infections. White vinegar, on the other hand, is great against bad breath because the acid it has lowers the pH of the mouth, making odor-causing bacteria not want to be there. Before I continue, I want to send a greeting to my followers. Today's special greeting is for Maria from Colombia, Lily from New Jersey, and the very dear Sophia from Spain. We deeply appreciate the constant support in each of our videos. Make mouthfuls with this solution for a minute and use this trick twice a week. You'll see great changes in no time, and no one will say you smell bad from your mouth. But did you know that this also has other benefits for your mouth?